born to be free.
Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing on this Thursday? Man. I'm in a good mood today, guys. I mean, what day am I not in a good mood? But let me just say good morning to the people while we sing to Michael Jackson. What's up, everybody? Happy Thursday. Who's in the chat? Golden Jet. Shouts out to you, bro. Matt Hatter's here. Philly. Oh, baby. How is everybody? Yo, guys, the lungs are popping off today. Shouts out Eric, man. A big fan of the channel's a big fan of this guy here. Damn, y'all in here early. Matt was popping. Straightway Life Bull Run has started early. Hold on. Guys, I'm feeling really Michael Jackson today. I know I'm going to lose my voice like every day, man. All right, Straightway Life says bull run has started early. 4-year cycle invalidated. BTC is going to 50K based on the inverse head and shoulders breakout. All the 30K level downside targets are not going to happen. Hey, man, listen. Straightway Life, if this happens, bro, and if you're long, congratulations. I'm cool with it either way, but this gentleman says it has not started. I don't know if I agree with just yet, but hey, fair play. Golden Jet says, slow, man. We haven't even made a higher high. Guys, we'll see, man. We're going to talk about this higher high, and I will tell you that although this, we didn't have the ETF cycle for most expensive worst. Shouts out Jared. Listen, although things are looking bullish, and we're long, baby. We are long. We said it yesterday. So we are long. We're doing well, but we have a massive level of resistance right now. Show triceps. By the way, guys, big shouts out to my sponsor, Market Cypher. Was that good? Is that how you flex the triceps? I don't even know, bro. Good morning, everybody. Hey, listen, anybody that's new here, welcome. If this is your first stream, welcome. We're glad to have you here. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Listen, we did a poll on if we're going to take the daily high. I'm on the camp of not taking the high, but it's a little bit too soon to talk about. And guys, how long have we been talking about this macro resistance here? Yesterday in my VIP section of the Discord, we were talking about what we're looking at. We were talking about the levels to the high. You know, when we came up and we were potentially, people are like, yo, Gio, is it time to short? Is it time to short? I'm like, guys, I don't think so, man. Like, just the way that things were looking here on Market Cypher B, you know, when we took this high and we cleared these levels, which we can now remove, we saw money flow getting thick, man. And what's the rule, guys? What is the rule? When you got thick money flow, the number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Here we got thick AF money flow. And so you got to do your count, right? This is potentially a spike wave, but we would have had, this would have been our 1 count. This would have been our 2 count. So anybody got caught shorting here, you shouldn't have been shorting. Anybody got caught shorting here, you shouldn't have been shorting. And now I would say, especially because now we are approaching a key level, which we're going to talk about extensively here. Now is where we can start talking about shorts. Okay, start. Now, every day, guys, I teach you guys how to build a narrative. Shouts out to all 135 people in here. Make sure you hit the like button because we are, as always, doing a giveaway every 100 likes, okay? Every 100 likes, we're doing a giveaway. So make sure you smash the like button. The giveaway is always going to be until further notice. One of my 4 boot camps, okay? I got 4 premium pieces of content. My studio lights are not on. Hold on. Oh, my goodness. It's so dark in here. Okay, that should be better. First of all, that should be better. Second of all, we're going to get copyrighted for that. Okay, listen, guys. Sorry, man. I had technical issues this morning. I apologize. Look, every 100 likes, we're doing a bootcamp giveaway. And we are doing our super giga mega 5K giveaway because we hit 5K subs yesterday. And I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful for all of you. So for our super giga mega giveaway, we have 3 winners. Number 1 is going to be Market Cypher 1-year subscription, where you're going to have access to their Discord. And you're going to get my Market Cypher B and Time Frames bootcamp included in that. So that is going to be our first prize winner. The second winner is going to be the complete bootcamp bundle. So you're going to get all 4 bootcamps. And the third winner is going to be either a 2-hour one-on-one session with myself or 6 months free into my VIP section of my Discord, where I give my levels, I give my updates, I do my VIP streams, I do Q&As, etc. Okay, enough shilling. Didn't mean to get there, but listen. Just based on money flow alone. Guys, I say it all the time. Money flow is king. All the time I say it. Money flow is your filter to whether or not you're allowed to short. And based on my rules, based on my significant rules and insignificant rules, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I got videos on it. But based on my significant waves and insignificant waves and my money flow rules, this was not a short. Even though we had a divergence, it was absolutely not a short. And now that we're coming up into key resistance, we are potentially going to start talking about this short. So Let's get it. Let's get right into it here. We're going to pull up our order blocks. Guys, we have been talking about this short zone 3 for a very long time, okay? I mean, when did I first post about this in the Discord? Like a hot minute ago. How long has this been? Up here? It's been almost... It's been like almost 3 weeks, I think. Basically, ever since we took the low. Essentially, my God, I'm gonna lose my voice. Oh my. Okay, basically since January 24th. So 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we've been talking about this key zone. And yes, we had a key zone down here that we broke through. But you don't take the trade unless you see what you want to see on Market Cypher B when you're at the key zone. And now we are approaching very key resistance. Why? Why is this key resistance? First things first, in even the update I gave this morning, guys, we have a macro golden pocket, okay? Let's come macro. Let's hide everything real quick just to clean things up. Let's talk about this macro. Let's hide this local. Okay, let's hide the scalps. It's not relevant. Let's talk about this macro golden pocket, okay? I updated my VIP members today, and I said, guys, if we're going to get a rejection, likely it's going to be between this area. Fine. I've narrowed it down fully while building the narrative as I do every single day. But when we were coming up to the golden pocket, and this morning I was deciding on scalp levels for us all to potentially trade, I was like, yo, I'm not really interested in shorting anywhere prior to these key zones. And the reason is because they're key zones. And even though your 618 is here, and even though I'm sure a lot of people got trapped shorting this 618, you need to know that we got levels above us. That's why it's important for us to build context. That's why it's important for us to build our narrative, okay? So now what are we looking at? Guys, if you're not in the long, look, I'm not a financial advisor. Let me hit you with a disclaimer real quick that I need to update. But disclaimer, everybody, all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam, making money, blah, 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 blah. I'm not a financial advisor. You get it, okay? This is key resistance. If you are not in the long right now, you should not be FOMOing in the long right now because we are exactly in resistance, okay? Which levels am I looking at on the freaking dot to take here? I've taken profits on my longs, okay? Because I am responsible. However, I do expect to continue coming up a little bit higher. Why? Something called naked points of control, guys. Remember our daily bias. Regardless of what everybody is saying, regardless of everybody longing, regardless of everybody saying Bitcoin's going to 10 million, okay? The bias is only one thing right now on the daily time frame, which is bearish. Remember, for the very first time since September, we have put in a bearish... We've put in a bearish daily market structure, okay? Market structure on the daily, I drew that incorrectly. But market structure on the daily is bearish, which means technically speaking, we should be waiting for a lower high. This, by market structure rules, it doesn't always play out, but it most of the time plays out. Based by just market structure rules alone, this is a protected high. And this is our targeted low. So before you guys get your longs going nonstop infinitely, keep in mind, we are simply waiting to find our lower high to then make a lower low. And this could not work. We don't know as of right now. However, as of right now, we are to expect market structure to remain respected. Okay? So now how can we identify whether or not we put in our lower high? Well, first of all, we pull our key zones. And as you can see, we're coming up exactly into our key zone. So the first thing that I said was there's no longs here because there are no longs here, definitely, unless you're super scalping. Fine. But there are no longs here because we're in macro ranges. Now listen, this is the building the narrative part that I want you guys to get used to. We just drew the daily structure, and we've been talking about this for a very long time, guys. We just drew the daily structure, okay? Which means expectational order flow is down, up, down, okay? If price was going to remain coming down, it's called change of character. I know, bro, but I mean, whether it will, doesn't matter what you call it. If it is what it is, then you know what I'm saying. I just say break of structure because I know if it's bullish or bearish, but I don't know. I don't really use the terminology change of character, but you are technically correct. Okay, so listen. If the market structure, this is how I want you guys to think, man. I want you guys to build a narrative like this. Think like a market maker. Do not think like retail. If the market structure expectation is to make a lower high and then make a lower low, and we have important magnet levels here, guys, these naked daily points of controls, these naked weekly points of controls, these are magnets, okay? They are liquidity. The price loves to snap to those levels. And so, although we are approaching this zone, I absolutely imagine that they are going to make their way up to the naked daily and the naked weekly points of control because these are magnet levels. We have two very close we have two very close points of controls, and one of them is a weekly. So this is a very significant level. In addition to having strong order blocks up here, in addition to having a yellow box key zone up here, right? We got the golden pocket. We got monthly, weekly, daily supports. Or sorry, resistances up here. Like, we got a lot going on up here. And so for me, I really like the idea of coming up to 96K, right? We're about $500 away, $600 away, tapping these naked weekly points of controls, and then potentially rolling over and making our lower low. Now, remember, these do not remain the same. Like, market structure is not always going to be respected, okay? If we take a look at what happened in our back in when is this, February of last year, a year ago, okay, we flipped market structure bullishly, we immediately flipped bearishly, and then the market was like, nope, no thank you. Okay, market was like, no thank you, we're gonna stay bullish and we're gonna rip for the next year. Fine, that happens, but based on market structure, you should be expecting a lower high. Now, if we're not going to get a lower high, what else can we expect? Technically speaking, we wouldn't want this to happen. However, if we SFP this high on higher term time frames, like on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, if this is an SFP, then our narrative of coming and taking the low remains intact. So don't get overly bullish if we take the high and we rip to 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, because we could still have a weekly SFP of this level, which would be extremely bearish, and then it would bring prices lower, okay? That's the bearish scenario, or that's if we take the high. Market structure does not have to be respected. Besides, the daily lower low was simply a deviation from a solid uptrend. Hey, listen, you're absolutely right. It does not have to be respected. However, in most cases, you will do better off respecting the levels than not. Up only, bro. Yeah. Shouts out to Rand calling me an old man, like always, like every single day. You didn't have to send me the $5, but I really appreciate you. And I appreciate everything you do in the Discord. Guys, big, mad love for Charan. He's one of my moderators. He's an amazing guy. Golden Jet says, Gio's the man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Hey, Gio, the multi-time frame divergence method on Market Cypher B finally clicked. You've been making consistent profits on BTC futures. Hey, no problem, man. I'm glad you like it. Did you take the boot camp? Anyways, so that is the bearish scenario, right? It's too soon, way too soon for us to talk about 49K because we are at massive resistance right now. Can it happen? Yes. Is it going to happen? I don't know. We're going to have to analyze Market Cypher B, and we're going to have to take a look at what might or might not happen, right? As we get more information given to us on the charts, as more information comes and we have more info to analyze, we can change our bias, and that's why we build a narrative every single day. Okay? But that is the bearish scenario. Now, what is more of a bullish sentiment? Okay, well, let's take a look. By the way, I am long and I'm not short, so don't think that I'm a perma bear. Don't think that I don't want it to go to 50K. I'm just objective. I live in reality. I call it how I see it, and it's our job to be responsible and to not just say up only. It's our job to be responsible and to say that, you know what, maybe this is a trap. Okay, maybe we don't know yet. We're not in the zone yet, so we're not shorting yet. Okay, fine. What is a bullish case scenario? Let's pull up our weekly charts here. Let's pull up the weekly chart. Guys, we had a very ugly past month or so, right? We came down quite a bit, right? I mean, 20%, we were overextended. However, keep in mind that though we did come down 20%, we ripped like way up, way faster, way higher. So I'm not saying that we're overextended in general because we're clearly, or sorry, that we're not overextended in general. We are way overextended here. But locally, more locally speaking, we were a little bit overextended on this move to the downside, on this 20%. Fine. Every single top that's come in, shouts out, I believe it's Aaron that keeps saying it, or Kenny, one of the two. But every top has retraced. When we came back to retrace, I'm not going to do it on the daily, but you're going to have to take my word for it, or go back if you don't take my word for it, fine. Every top has come back between the golden pocket and the 786, which again, we're currently in right now. Okay? We need to know that. But what is a little bit more bullish? Guys, this weekly candle closes in 3 days and 8 hours. Okay? Now, remember, when we came up here and we came down, locally, I mean, we just came straight down. So locally speaking, we were overextended locally, as I mentioned. Okay? But look at how, for a few weeks, we were really unable to close above this level. Okay? So for, I mean, how many weeks? 1, 2, 3. This one didn't even make it, but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks in a row, we were unable to close a weekly candle above 43,925. Okay? This is a very significant level. 43, guys, write it down. 43,925. Write it down. This weekly candle closes in 3 days and 8 hours. If in the next 3 days and 8 hours, we do not find our way back down below this 30, we'll say 43.9, then this is showing strength. Okay? It is showing strength. So we need to be aware of that. We need to know that 43,920, you know what? As a matter of fact, I am going to add this as an alert. I'm going to write very important weekly level close so that I'm aware, and I'm going to make it super, super thick. That's what she said. And we're going to know if and when we come back to this level, and we're going to need to come back. What, did I not just very important weekly level close? Okay, we know that we need to be very careful. We need to pay attention to this level. Okay, and I'm gonna add it right here into my important levels little folder, and we're gonna keep an eye on that. Okay, very important level. If we close the candle above here, and I would even argue this guy too, taking this recent wick at, I mean, oh, it's actually the same level. Yeah, taking the wick here, closing above here, is going to show extreme amounts of strength. We need to be careful. And big shouts out to Alex Crypto and the Otter Gang, because Alex said that the low was going to be 3.5 or 3.6 or whatever, and I said it was going to be 2.4. And if this weekly candle closes above this level right here, it is showing strength, and we need to be aware of that. And so that is our bias, guys. We got our bullish sentiment, we got our bearish sentiment. Trading is all about probabilities, and we'll see what happens, man. We could come up again. We could SFP the high. We could just reject from this very key zone. Guys, I'll tell you this. The weekly candle, we said, needs to close above that high, right? Above this very important 43,925. And if there's ever a time for a rejection to make sense, it is now, okay? It is now. So we got 3 days to be able to reject and get back down here. But not only that, Thursday is midweek reversal. There we go. Alpha said it. Shouts out to Alpha Farmer because he took the words out of my mouth. Guys, Thursdays are reversal days. I'm just saying. Thursday, look, I'm not a perma bear, I'm not a perma bull. Thursdays are reversal days. We're in a macro resistance. We're in a macro golden pocket. We are in macro bearish market structure, meaning that it's a daily, so we should be looking for a lower high. Thursday's midweek reversal. I'm just saying. Just saying. Matt, he says, Gio, we had the 1, 2, 3 tap and money flow on the, leaving on the 5 minute around 12 hours ago, but we still pumped. Are you seeing anything wrong? Let's take a look, Matt. Matt, look, your 1, 2, 3 tap is absolutely, let me see if you got it right, first of all. You mean here? If this is the 1, 2, 3 that you're referring to, then I would say you're not right for this one. And I'll tell you why. The 1, 2, 3 tap, you need 3 waves of divergences. Okay, 3, and they all need to be divergences. Here was your 1, here was your 2, but this was not your 3. If this wicked up, then that would have been your 3, right? It would have been 1, 2, 3, but it did not. So this was not a trade. Your candles must be diverging. Must. 1, 2, 3. It has to. If there's no divergence, it doesn't count. Same thing here. You could say 1, 2, 3, but here we didn't have 3 divergences. This did not wick it up, so it doesn't count. All three must be diverging. All right, Indexa says not going past 49k FOMO. Shouts out to Tino. Big shouts out to Tino, man. 100%. Guys, I say it, man. I say it every time. I say it literally every single time. I mean, I don't think we're going to take the high. I really don't. Shouts out to Aaron, says 177 watching and only 75 guys like. Oh my goodness. I talk too fast for my own good, I swear. Guys, hit the like button because every 100 likes, we are doing a bootcamp giveaway where you can learn exactly how I trade, exactly what I'm looking for, exactly how I find these key zones and these key levels and building the narrative and all that. So make sure you do that. But not only that, guys, yesterday we hit 5,000 subscribers and I'm going to do a very big giveaway tomorrow. So not only do you not want to miss today's stream because today is the entry for tomorrow, but tomorrow is the big giveaway. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it. All right, guys, that's Bitcoin, man. I mean, we could talk locally, right? We could talk locally, but we're just beneath a macro level. And look at this, guys. Look at how solid TA is. Weeks ago. And let's just say I limited this level, which I don't. I don't like limiting in because limiting in is a freaking scam. But let's just say I did. Three weeks ago, and I'm $3 off the top. I'm not saying this is going to be the top. I don't believe that it's going to be the top. However, we are 3 minutes or $3 off the top. Everyone, we have a huge group of winners in the Discord. Make sure to come out. Yes, sir. How about 1, 2, 3 tap on the 15-minute right now? Let's check the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so look at this, guys. Take a look at this now. The 15-minute time frame. This is technically a spike wave. Okay, this is a spike wave. 100%, no doubt, without question. It is a spike wave. Would I like it to look a little bit better? Yes, I would like it to look a little bit better. However, we have money flow coming out, and we have momentum waves diverging. Okay, personally, I would prefer to see this. I would prefer this. I want one more wave of divergence. Why? Because I want to, number one, see a local divergence, which would be good. But also, two, because we also have macro resistance right here, and I really want to come up and tap these naked daily and naked weekly points of controls. And remember, guys, naked weekly points of controls are big levels. Why would we come this close to one? I mean, we're not that close right now, but let's just say we came up with why would we come this relatively close to a naked weekly point of control and not take it? You know what I'm saying? Alpha Farmer says he's about to buy the MCB bootcamp because he can't win. Oh, man. I'm sorry, bro. Hey, listen, Alpha, before you buy it, bro, you might win the giveaway. So don't buy it yet. If you get the giveaway, you could choose it. Crypto Face is long. Is he? CF is always long. I don't know where he's long from, but we are in macro resistance right now. I'll tell you that. Took long on Sol yesterday. Now looking at the short off the 4-hour thoughts. And okay, we'll look at altcoins in a few minutes here, guys. Let me just catch up. Shouts out to Crypto Girly. Crypto Girly, I love you too. I love you too, girl. Okay, we are gonna I'll do some alts for you guys because we already know Gio, what time frame should we look at these divergences? Honestly, any time frame. It works on all time frames. Works on all time frames. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto. Appreciate you. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. CF is long from lower. Geo is also long from lower. So big shouts out to Crypto Face. Big shouts out to Nick Cypher, who hooked up. I'm assuming it's Nick Cypher, who hooked up the Market Cypher giveaway for you guys. I was going to pay, but they didn't let me pay. And shouts out to Market Cypher, of course. How many likes are we at, guys? We're going to do our first giveaway. Okay, we're at 107 likes. So let's hit our first giveaway. This is what we're going to do. Guys, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to post a YouTube short right now. You guys are going to head over to that YouTube short. You're going to hit the like button, and you're going to drop a party emoji. Any party emoji you want. I don't care. And you can write anything you want. When you're done, come back and tell me the altcoin that you want me to check out. And the first altcoin I see is the one that I'm going to do. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. That's the plan. That is the plan. So let's get that one going, and then we'll do some altcoin TA. Because, guys, I mean, Bitcoin's been sleeping, bro. Bitcoin's been sleeping. I really hope we come up to 46K, though. I really do. All right, I'm going right now, guys. And again, this is going to be a bootcamp giveaway for today. But also, this is going to enter you on tomorrow's very big giveaway. Okay, so this is going to be I have 3 giveaways tomorrow. And this is going to be an entry. So, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys. My goodness, what's in my eyeball? Because I got high hopes for the living. Right now, Armis Salute, we're doing the giveaway literally right now. Okay, guys, I just posted a YouTube short. All you got to do, I just posted it right now. I'm going to tell y'all. Right now, man. Your channel shorts. Let's hit it. Watch this. Giga shorts are loading. I'm with you, bro. I don't think we're coming for the high. I still think people are too bullish. If I'm wrong, I'll eat my words, but we're following market structure, and the signs are all stacked against taking the high again. Where is my YouTube short? YouTube, you're tripping. Did I not post that? No, I definitely posted it. No inhibitions, no worry. Yo, what the hell's going on? Okay, one second, my friendos. Okay, it's up, guys. Go to my recent short. I'm gonna copy the link right now. Go to the recent short. It's just not showing up here, but it is up. Go to the recent short. Make sure you hit the like button. You have to hit the like button or else it doesn't count. And leave any comment you want, and it has to have a party emoji. What time is it right now? We are going to do the giveaway at... Where are we at here? What time is it? In 5 minutes, we're doing the giveaway. It's that Mac, man. Yeah, maybe. So, guys, head over to the recent short. I just posted it here in the description. Leave any comment you want with any party emoji you want. And we'll get that giveaway going for you guys, man. CVD is interesting. We might see more local upside. I do believe, guys, I'm telling you from now. I'm not saying short it right now. We are in resistance. We do have order blocks. Market structure right now does not say to short quite yet. But I will say this. These levels, in my mind, I don't see why we wouldn't come there. Guys, head over. Hit the like button on that video. Drop the comment. Shouts out CryptoFace. And then let me know which altcoin you want. And we'll take a look at some altcoins here for you. Did this update yet? Oh my, what's going on here? What is going on here? FTM? All right, let's do FTM real quick. Well, I don't know what my YouTube is doing, but the video is up, so let's do Phantom. Okay. Let's start from the jump here real quick. Okay. Phantom daily structure is up, down, up, down, up, down. SFP bearish. Okay, bearish daily structure. Let me check weekly. Okay, Phantom is bullish on the weekly. All right, there's your weekly low. Here's your weekly low. Here's your weekly high. Okay. 4 hour, or sorry, daily is bearish. Daily high is this guy. Yeah, daily low is this guy. Okay, so weekly low, daily high. 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour is bullish. So this kind of looks like Bitcoin. And by the way, guys, let me just add, which I say every single time, but I just need you guys to know, just in case for whatever the case is. You guys, listen, you have to understand that you always need to pay attention to Bitcoin whenever you're trading your alts. And you also need to know what Bitcoin is doing relative to your alts, or what your alts are doing relative to Bitcoin. Okay, let me just say that. So 4 hour structure is bullish. And internally, I can already tell you, 15-minute market structure flipped bullishly at this point here. So 15 structure is bullish, 4 hour is bullish. The daily time frame technically is bearish, but if we come up and we take this high, then it's going to flip bullish, and the weekly is bullish. So right now on Phantom, currently, the way that it seems, depending on what Bitcoin is going to do, remember, we do have a nice order block up here. However, we have a nice triple top up here at these highs. Guys, retail teaches you that triple tops are strong. Geo teaches you that there's liquidity above here, and that it might be a little bit easier than just drawing a triple top to think that we're not going to come back to that level. Okay, so just the way that it's looking right now, based on structure, Phantom is looking like we could have a continued move to the upside, but it will depend on what Bitcoin is going to do. Now, Bitcoin, as I mentioned, is at a key level of resistance, and we're already seeing a reaction. If I were to have put a limit order right where I drew my box, I would have literally been, not figuratively, literally been $3 off the top. Okay, and I drew this 3 weeks ago. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. I'm not saying that this is the high, but I'm just saying this is resistance, and we're getting a reaction off of it. So now, if we come back to Phantom, and remember what I said, you need to pay attention to what your alts are doing relative to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is at massive macro resistance, and Phantom is coming in here into our nice 4 hour order block, right? And actually, you could have drawn this down because we have a fair value gap here. So you can see very clearly that while Bitcoin is at resistance, Phantom is also at resistance. If Bitcoin decides to make its way up to potentially those naked points of controls that we talked about, then I would expect Phantom to do something similar, which is to come up and then perhaps start ranging up here. However, if Bitcoin is going to if that was the high of Bitcoin and that's it, we're going to 30K from that exact high, then I would say that Phantom is also likely to reject from this point, but we are at resistance for Phantom as well. If you are long on Phantom, congratulations. If you haven't taken profits already, I suggest non-financial advice, because I am a 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. I would suggest that you just take some off the top, man. Just be safe with it. Market cipher on the 4 hour time frame right now does not look great for Phantom, but let's check our other time frames here. 2 hour is nothing crazy. Remember, guys, whenever you have a red dot, you got to look to the left and say these vectors can get recovered. So you need to keep that in mind as well. And just like I was saying for Bitcoin, just like I'm saying for Bitcoin, when we're at macro resistance and whatever, we're at macro resistance here on Phantom. And I mean, market cipher, like, you know, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. And we don't have the 1, 2, 3 top that I like to see on when I'm looking for the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I would not actually call this a spike wave. And why? Because these waves, this would be your 1, I mean, this would be your 2, and this would be your 3. Technically, we do have 3 divergences here. However, this 2 wave is kind of like on the same family of this wave. It's not like big waves. I want to see big waves. So this one and this one are definitely 2 different waves, but this one is kind of part of the same thing, just like how all these are part of the same thing. So I'm not super confident with this wave. Now, that being said, if I'm saying I like to see big waves, what I'm expecting, because the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, or perhaps we get a nice little rejection off of where we are right now, because we would expect Bitcoin to also get a rejection from its macro level. Market Cipher B would put in a wave like this. Perhaps we'd get another green dot, and then perhaps we'd get another wave of divergence. So maybe we get something like this. Then we come up into resistance. This would coincide to the same time where Bitcoin could do something similar. Remember, we're waiting for this on Bitcoin, where it would come up and take these naked daily, naked weekly points of controls. I absolutely do believe that we're going to make our way up here. Just saying, I'm not saying that I called $3 off the top. I do think we're coming higher. But when you combine Bitcoin with your altcoins, this is how you can use them together in tandem to build your narrative. And you're saying, this is at resistance, Bitcoin is at resistance. We're not getting the 1, 2, 3 on Phantom. We're not getting the 1, 2, 3 that we want to see properly, at least on the 30-minute on Bitcoin. And so prices can go higher. That is narrative building 101, baby. All right, let's take a look at our giveaway. Did this thing update or what? I don't understand where it is. I really have no idea. Not in the slightest. What's going on here? How do I do a giveaway if I can't even get the link for it? Okay, one second. I'm going to check another browser. You could be dancing, yeah. Okay, I literally have no idea why I can't pull it up. Let's try this. The link that I sent you guys. Okay, there we go. All right, we got it up. We hacked the system here. We hacked the system here. All right, can I look at Ada? Yeah, I'll look at Ada. Ada will look at... no, Philly! Don't unsubscribe, bro. Don't unsubscribe. All right, we're gonna look at Ada, but we're gonna... Well, what time is it right now? How many likes do we have on this? How many comments? Guys, remember, you have to like the video and you have to have commented. Let's see what you guys think. Hey, we like the party. Let's go, baby. Giga short loading all day, baby. All day. Let's see. Come for the TA, stay for the parties, man. Shouts out to Phil, bro. Phil's a G. Phil is a G. All right, we got it, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the first giveaway right now, and then I'm gonna look at Cardano, and then I'm gonna look at your other ones. Yo, Gio, when bathroom break? It's coming, bro. It's loading right now. It's loading right now. All right, guys, listen, hear me out. Hear me out, my friendos. You already know how this goes. You already know how this goes, man. High hopes. We got high hopes. Guys, this is going to be one of your entries for our Big 3 giveaway tomorrow, okay? So have no fear. This is going to be one of your giveaways. Duplicate users, 11. Get comments. Guys, listen, every single day I teach you how to build a narrative, and I tell you this every single time, and I'm sorry for sounding like a broken record, but listen, actually, all jokes aside, hear me out. It is not long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to figure this game out, and if you're losing, if you don't know what's going on, if you got caught in shorts, if you're stuck, I believe in you. Look, if I believe in you, if I could do it, you could do it, all right? If I could do it, you could do it, and I got high hopes that you could do it, man. So listen, if my bootcamp can help you out, that's all. That's why I do this. Honestly, that's why I do it. So the bootcamp giveaway, my friends. Remember, these same comments are going to be for the big giveaway tomorrow. Just saying. All right. Bootcamp giveaway winner is...
Back in the days, we wanted everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything.
Hey!
Mama said, don't give up.
Congratulations, did I just have a stroke? Congratulations, Joelino 3388. You are the winner of today's first bootcamp giveaway. Congratulations. Head over to the YouTube. Make sure you click on your photo up here. My goodness, I'm out of freaking. Make sure you click on the photo up here. Take a screenshot of this. Make sure we can see the like button. Head over to the Discord and send it to one of my moderators. They will hook you up. Let them know which bootcamp you want. Congratulations, my friend. I will see you in the bootcamp chat. Okay, let's talk about Cardano. Cardonsky. Cause I got high hopes for living. El tiempo de los vocals. You think I know Spanish? Cooking just like Dio's dump. We should make a dump coin. or a geocoin. Brazilian in the chat. Oh, was that Brazil? Brazilian? Don't y'all speak Portuguese? Yo, Matt BTC, man, says, Gio, my man, only been here for a few weeks, but learned more than I have from others combined for the past 3 years. Halfway through the Market Saver Bootcamp. Matt, bro, I appreciate you, man. You didn't have to send the 10 euros. I really appreciate it. God bless you and your family. Listen, I believe that you can make it, bro. I just said that. I believe absolutely 100% without a doubt, unequivocally, that you can make it. And I believe in you. If I could do it, you could do it. I'm glad that you're learning. I'm glad that, you know, things are looking up. And I'm glad that the Market Cipher, you're making it through the Market Cipher Bootcamp. You might got to watch that a couple times, bro. But I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Okay, Cardano. Cardano. Guys, there's not really much to say about Cardano. Other than what we said yesterday, okay? Yesterday, during stream, shouts out to Jabs' dad. We were right here. Jabs' dad is like, yo, Gio, should I long? I'm like, hell yeah, bro, long it. And Jabs' dad is up big time. Okay, sorry, I don't mean to put you on the spot like that. Listen, Cardano's got thick money flow AF. Thick AF. Guys, you know my 1, 2, 3 rule? When you see money flow like this, when the money flow is touching the 60 line, you are not shorting that. I don't even care if there's a 10 tap. If money flow is this high, you're not touching it. Okay? Trust me, you will do a lot better in life if you don't do that. Now you could argue, you know, you could say, all right, I mean, maybe it's time to start looking for shorts. But remember, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And I mean, technically, this is a spike wave, right? And technically, remember what I say. Don't they speak Brazilian in Brazil? No, they speak Portuguese. I know that. I know that. And remember what I say, guys. You need to have, you need to be able to count your divergences, whatever, but you need to be able to watch what your altcoins are doing relative to Bitcoin. Okay. So remember, on Bitcoin, we're saying, hey, we could get one more wave up, touch these naked daily, touch the naked weekly. My goodness, I'm actually dead ass having a stroke today. Touch the naked daily, touch the naked weekly point of control. And we can say on Cardano that if that's going to be the case, why not come up and wait for it? And we said this yesterday, guys. I said yesterday that Cardano is going to come for this high. Why would Cardano, think about it, guys, think like a market maker. Why would they come this close and not take that liquidity? Why? Answer, they wouldn't. They wouldn't. Shouts out to Dave Digital, bro. When membership activated, Dave, bro, you have to come to, bro, you got to come in before I start the stream, like before I start and say something. Cause then I can click as soon as I, look, I have this like thing that like brings up you guys here. As soon as that's on, I can't click your name. I can't give you the wrench. You know what I'm saying? Yours doesn't look like mine and you replicated the settings. Jew, this is what you got to do. Go to your TR main. And the only thing that's different is the vector candle zones, I think. So scroll down to where you see show vector candle zones and just turn that off. I will do an updated settings like thing for you guys. Okay, I'll do an updated settings thing. But I think it's just the vector candle zones. You just got to turn that off. And like labels and stuff. I have different templates, right? I got ones with the EMAs and I got ones without the EMAs. I got ones with the labels. You know what I'm saying? I got ones with VWAP. Like I got different templates. I'll show you guys how to do this as well. See, I got like templates like this as well. Oh, my YouTube premium memberships. Bro, listen. Hit me up on Discord and teach me what even that means. Because I don't even know what that means, bro. I have no clue. I have no idea what that even means. Man, I just work here, guys. You know that. I just work here. All right, guys. What's the other alts? Give me some alts. And actually, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get some water real quick. Yeah, I'll update it in the Discord, bro. I'm sorry. I will update it. I'm going to go get some water real quick. Y'all drop me some alts and we'll take a look here. And by the way, hit the like button because we're not done. If you guys didn't win the giveaway, it's okay. Because every 100 likes, I do a giveaway. And these are the entries that are going to get you in tomorrow. So I'm just saying. All right, be right back. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated. Vector candles are derivatives of ICT concepts. I mean, I don't know if they're derivatives of ICT concepts, but I mean, I think like a market maker, yeah. And your vector candles will show you the liquidity. So like, for example, when you got this 15-minute vector candle, when you got this 15-minute vector candle, if it ever loads, like literally anytime this century. Yeah, when you got this 15-minute vector candle, this is essentially showing you in the charts that your market makers are limit shorting here, right? Market makers are not longing here. You are longing here. Retail is longing here. Instructions unclear. You're short. You're longing from here while your market maker is limit shorting this whole way up until the point where they snagged enough orders, grabbed that liquidity, and sent the price down. GG's. Curtains. It's curtains. Shouts out to Jabs. It's curtains. Market maker Geo. Guys, I wish I was a market maker. Man, if I was a market maker, I would trip you guys up big time. I would go whoop, 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 whoop. Y'all would get wrecked. Where y'all selling your shorts from, the gang? So look, let me actually answer this question. So this is what we're waiting for now. Guys, whenever you're at a key zone like this, if this is off the top, listen, you bet your ass that I'm going to make so many videos about how I called literally $3. I hit it by $3, but I didn't take the trade. But you bet your ass that I'm going to say that not that I took it, but that I had the level there. That I had the level there. Look at whiff. What is whiff, man? You guys get creative with these coins, man. Whiff. USDT perpetual. Okay, what is this coin? Okay, well, this coin came out literally 3 weeks ago, so I have no idea how to even chart this, but man, I'm not even joking. I literally have not one thing to say about this coin. I don't know. I have no clue. I'll say this. We got some liquidity, right? You got liquidity here. Market structure is bearish, but if you take this high, this is what I would do. The only way that I would long this, if you're asking about the longs, which I would never long this anyways, but if I had to, I would wait for this. I would wait for this. I would long here and then send it up to here. Aside from that, I'm sorry, bro. Coins that have been out for 3 weeks, like, I have no idea how to do that. I don't even know if that was a joke, but MMGO will be bigger than MM crypto. All right, let's do H bar, because we got a couple H bars here. Let's do a couple H bars. H bar. This coin still exists. Man, you guys want to know when I bought H bar? You guys don't want to know. I bought H bar at 42 cents. 42 cents is where I bought H bar before I knew what I was doing. Right here. That's where I bought H bar. Isn't that sad? Isn't that sad? All right, H bar right now on the 2-day is looking bullish. All right, we are looking pretty bullish on the 2-day. We got money flow. We got, this is definitely a cheat sheet entry. I can tell you right off the jump. Yeah. So we got a nice cheat sheet entry here on, man, this looks very bullish, guys. Very bullish. I would say easily this H bar is coming up to this high. Easily. Now, remember, it depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. Okay, let's change this playlist. It all depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. It is like, man, you have to pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. You cannot suggest otherwise. Should we get some Michael Jackson going on in the chart? Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Man, should we get a party? Let's get a party going. I think we should get a party going. Anyways, yeah, no, H bar is looking really good. Let's come local structure flipped bullishly somewhere along the ways. It's not even that important. Let's come to the 4. Let's check what the 4 is doing. The 4 is giving us a divergence, okay, but the 2 is suggesting, and money flow as well, very significantly is suggesting that we may continue the move to the upside. So what I would probably expect right now is price to come down for the next few hours, maybe for the weekend. Have our 50 EMA follow up to our 200 EMA, while the 800 EMA definitely holds. I would say the lowest it's going to go is down here, okay? I would say the lowest H bar is going to go is like 7046. And if we come down here, I'm going to actually put some alerts and I'm going to gig along this bitch. Gig along this bitch. Hold on, this is like... I can't sleep 'cause my bed's on fire. Can't you say? I want to make this better. Run. Yeah, that's fire. Yo, this is fire. Okay. So yeah, I would expect this to potentially come down to there at the very most, and then continue our move to the upside. But this H bar is looking strong. I think we're gonna at least, like I said, come up to this high, because this is easy liquidity to come and grab. Easy money. It looks bullish. It honestly looks bullish. I would expect a little bit of a retracement though. Remember, Bitcoin is at its macro resistance, so we would expect that to come down. Run. Way. Yeah. Oh. Psycho killer. Qu'est-ce que c'est? And Dave wants the vocals. Yo, do you guys know this song? Everybody buying low and selling high. Never do what they expect you to. New fan here. Shouts out to Kip. Welcome. Hey guys, I don't even know what any of these coins that you're telling me on. Top City with the vector candles ever. Yo, it's been very low volatility lately. 100%. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Yo, Igor, bro, we should actually run a karaoke in the Discord. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? By the way, guys, if you're just tuning in right now, every 100 likes I get, I do a giveaway on one of my boot camps. And I mean, liking the video is a free way to support me, and I very well appreciate everybody that decides to. We're gonna do that one again, man, because that was a banger. I very much thank everybody that helps support me by for free, especially as well, which you can do by hitting the like button. In addition to that, guys, let me just say MEXC is the #1 exchange, especially with fees. And if you scalp all day like we do in the Discord, then MEXC is the exchange for you. 0.0% maker fee, 0.01% taker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's basically free. And of course, Market Cypher, link in the description down below. 20% off, discount code TraderGeo. And I'm doing a 1-year giveaway tomorrow, so make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. Psycho killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? Better run, get away. All right, guys, give me some good coins. I don't want to do some like stupid coins that have been out a week ago. Let's check here, Ram. Let's do ETH, man. I'm gonna do ETH. Ethereum. Yo, okay, Ethereum, we drew this yesterday. We drew this out yesterday for Ethereum, okay? Yeah. We drew this guy out yesterday, and remember guys, remember this. I've been saying this, okay? I think Ethereum, Ethereum has been very lagged behind, okay? Somebody yesterday said that it's because Ethereum, I don't know, had some, like, law thing or whatever the hell. I don't even know. Bro, I literally can't words today. I don't know, man. I don't know. The voice is coming out, but the words are not coming out today. By the way, I'm taking my pants off. Taking them off. What is this? Cock Wi-Fi balls? Please, Trump coin. Is XRP dead? Man, I'm too lazy to go over this again. We talked about it. Anyways, I think Ethereum can make its way up significantly more than Bitcoin, man. My words are not coming out today, guys. You're gonna have to deal with it. I'm sorry. Let's take a look at XRP. Screw Ethereum. I'm over it. All right. Straightway Life says, is XRP dead? Wow, last time we did TA on XRP was a hot minute ago. A hot minute ago here. All right, let's switch this up. Psycho Killer, Kiss Cassay. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. XRP is as exciting as Crypto Lifer. Oh man. Crypto Lifer, bro, if you're watching this, let me teach you a thing or two about trading, bro. Okay, so I'll tell you this, man. For XRPZ, let's start on the daily. Let's go daily. Yeah, XRP is kind of not the best. I mean, look, I'll tell you this. Briefly, we got liquidity up here, right? We got quite a bit of liquidity that we can come and grab. Okay. We got some liquidity here. And, you know, we're getting SFPs. So these are liquidity grabs. And this makes sense. It does make sense for XRP to bounce. Now, the question is, where can XRP bounce from? Is this going to be the low? And does it make sense where we came down to? Well, the answer to that is actually yes. So back in the summer, or back even in October when XRP had its pump here, we left a nice order block. And guys, this is why it's important for you to pay attention to vector candles and pay attention to your order blocks within those vector candles, because look at how quick of TA that I'm doing right now. And I can tell you very clearly that we have a nice order block here that we are absolutely wicking. We just wicked in a few days ago and came to. So can XRP get a significant move to the upside from here? Absolutely it can. But it is our job to follow the market structure, okay? Now, I'm going to combine my 12-hour and my daily. But if I were to do that, structure would be down, up, down. And then that is the whole structure. Now, this is an SFP, which means technically speaking, check marks the spot. And if Bitcoin is going to do well and not completely shit the bed while it's at this resistance like it's shitting the bed right now, then XRP, we could expect to get a move back up to this high just based on the daily time frame and just based on market structure on the daily time frame being respected and the fact that we bounced off of this order block. So whoever recommended XRP for me, thank you very much. I'm going to actually rise XRP to the top of my list, and I'm going to pay attention because there's something that we know about XRP. When this bitch wakes up, that shit moves. No pants stream. Yes, Dave Digital. Is there any problems? Guys, you're only allowed to not have pants in my stream. So, based on market structure, it's looking like it could come up. Based on market cipher B, it's looking like it could come up. We got thick red money flow, sure, but we did have a nice divergence at the low. We also need to remember the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, but this is where we can dive in to our lower term time frames. When we came down to this low, we had a money flow kind of, not a perfect divergence like we would want to see, At the lows, I would have wanted to see a little bit better, but let's check the 6 hour. 6 hour as well. Not really what we want to see, but we do have the 1, 2, 3 tap on the 6. Let's check the 4. 4 is looking a lot better. So 4 is saying money flow divergence as well as momentum wave divergences. This was your spike wave, absolutely, while coming into a nice daily order block, guys. I believe XRP is going to continue its merrily way to the upside. And I mean, I would not hate. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would not hate along with the stop underneath the low. Personally, I wouldn't hate that. I would at the very least target 54. But realistically, we could find our way up to 64. I mean, things could get pretty interesting for XRP. You heard it here first, okay? You heard it here first. We'll see what happens. There are levels of resistance in which could just kind of shut down XRP. And like we know, XRP likes to stay still, but when it moves, it moves. Technically speaking, we do have an order block here at the high, but we would be taking profit up here anyways, and then just letting the rest completely run. Nonetheless, here are some order blocks that that might shut it down, but I do think that XRP has some potential to run up. Shine bright like a diamond. I'm at work and I already took my pants off. I keep screaming the thicker the money flow. This trade better work out. You just got fired for running power tools with no pants. Yo, shouts out to BR Rounder, the winner of yesterday's boot camp. How is it, bro? Have you started yet? All right, let's do Link. But before we do Link, let's see where we could retrace on... let's see where we could retrace here, realistically. I mean, we're just in a range, so we're going to just play the range. We're going to have to just play the range here. I'm not crazy about longs right now. I would actually want to come down to the low of the range. I'm going to set alerts down here, and I'll reconsider at this point. I will reconsider this guy. And then especially down at these lows, I will consider as well. Let's see. I think perfectly, like what I would want to see for XRP is to do this. Something like that. Maybe sweep these lows. Maybe come down to this guy. Let's set an alert here. We were good, we would go. Kind of dream. I don't even know if we're going to come down to this low, actually. We'll set an alert. Let's set an alert here. Till we weren't building on the glass did burn. Ladies, if your man is mistreating you, I can buy you flowers. Write your name in the sand. I'll talk to you for hours. Say things he don't understand. That was bad. It's okay. You'll get over it. And I can hold your hand. Love you better than he can. Can love you better. I can love you better, baby. Can love you better. I can love... If you're if your guy is mistreating you, hit me up. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Feel the roses that you say. All right, let's do Link. Gio, BR Render said the funniest shit. What did he say? Golden Jet. Remembered I can buy you flowers and write your name in the sand. Talk to you for hours. Say things he don't understand. And I can hold your hand. Yo, we're dumping, man. We are dumping. What did I tell you guys? We are in resistance. Did I tell you that? Or did I not tell you that? BP says dump it. Drew says BTC is dumping it. Shouts out to BR Rounder. Shouts out to Jabs. Shouts out to Dice. Shouts out to Dave Digital. This guy's trolling always with Mark as well. B-Rad's in the chat. Guys, okay, we're going to come back to BTC. Don't understand. He said he's loading up his shorts like a 3-month-old. Oh, man. Oh, man. Anyways, guys, I think we're safe. I don't think it's time to panic. Yo, this is a fire playlist. What the hell? Oh, this one I'm gonna get copyrighted on. No, 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 no. YouTube, don't listen. What is this? Is this my phone? Did I leave it upstairs? Thanks. I let it fall, my heart. And as it fell. Gio, why are you not wearing pants? What song is this? Am I gonna get copyrighted for this? Yeah, I am. Okay, I can't do this playlist. I'm gonna keep getting copyrighted. We were good. We were gold. Got a dream. Can't be so. Yeah. We were right till we weren't. Guys, I'm losing my voice, man. I'm losing my voice. Man, RIP BTC, but it's not that bad, guys. Let's come locally. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin, and then we'll continue your altcoins here. So, guys, look, I mean, we said this, man. We said this. Yeah, I want a little bit higher. Yeah, I want to touch the naked point of control. Yeah, I do believe we're going to touch the naked point of control, but we can't expect that to happen necessarily right away. We can expect something like this to happen where we reject from a very key zone, which we've had from 3 weeks, 4 weeks ago. And now we could just play the range, you know? Now we could just play the range. Here, though, we did have money flow coming out. Guys, listen. Listen to me when I tell you this, man. We could. That could have been the high. I'm not saying it is, but it could be. Do not be moon boys. Don't do it. You're going to get wrecked more than it's going to be good. We can sing all day. Yeah, every alt is kind of eating it right now. My poor... Man, look at this, guys. Right off the order block I drew yesterday for Ethereum. Like, why wouldn't we continue down, you know? I told you, man, we're at resistance. Don't long up here. I told you that. I told you guys we have 3 days to make it down to... Guys, listen. I'm telling you right now. If we close this weekly candle below 43925... What is it, Jabs? If we close the weekly candle... If we close the weekly candle below 43925, what is it? It's curtains. It's curtains, baby. Where's the Michael Jackson? Let's hit Michael Jackson. I lost your love. Guys, whenever we have a hater in the chat, I'm just going to start playing this. Yo, whenever we have a hater in the chat, we're going to bump beat it, and we're all going to middle finger emoji him. That's what we're going to start doing. Yo, actually, let's practice, guys. Let's practice this, okay? Let's just say there's a hater in the chat, and I'm like, yo, chat, I need you. I need your help right now, okay? If I ever do that and I bump this, let's practice on jabs, okay? Everybody at jabs, let's give him the middle finger emoji. That's what we're gonna do. Every single time there's a hater, I'm gonna be like, yo, chat, we got a hater in the chat. I'm gonna put him on screen, and then y'all are just gonna add him. And so let's practice on jabs. Ready? Yo, chat, we got a hater. We got a hater in the chat right here, guys.
The fire's in the eyes and the words are really clear.
So beat it.
Just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Show them how funky, show them
I'm just playing, guys. We love jabs. We love jabs here. I'm just playing. All right, guys, listen, market structure. I mean, there's no real reason to get overly bearish, right? Because structure has still not... Ooh, I lied, actually. 5-minute structure just flipped bearishly, guys. 5-minute structure just created bearish structure. Just saying, man. Hey, don't come after me. I just work here. 5-minute structure flipped bearishly, boys. Is it curtains? Is it curtains? Yeah, I know, bro. I told you. Dave Digital's literally everywhere. If you wanna be a man, just beat it. Beat it. No one wants to. Can I do this? No, I can't do this. 5-minute broke way up at the top. Yeah. 5 minutes broken up here. 5-minute got wrecked. CFX? What in the world is CFX? Guys, is this how other streamers, like, they just don't have fun? They just like, okay, guys, today we're going to look at CFX. You know, the blockchain, layer 2 solutions, DeFi. You know, if you take a look, and this game was built on Solana, but this game was built on Cardano. So I think that, like, you know, Ethereum must go to 7K this bull run because, you know, some game just came out for it, and you can buy freaking tokens, and those tokens can get staked for like extra, you know, cum rocket coins, and those will evolve into, like, is that what happens? Is that how I mean, I genuinely, I don't check, but I just imagine that that's what they're like. Is that what they're like? Like, I feel like Crypto Lifer is like that, no? But also, he's really old too. Sorry. I'm sorry. I take that back, bro. I wish you best. I swear I wish you well. I'm just trolling. I'm just having fun, but I do wish you well. I don't wish harm on anybody. But I just know, like, man, like, I don't know. People are just Geo Lifer. Now. I don't even know what I was doing, by the way. Don't listen to that. I was just... All right, let's check this coin. I don't even know what this shit is. Yo, Charan, fuck off, bro. All right, check it. Let me take you dancing. If you know what I mean. All right, guys, hear me out. Hear me out on this coin. Age is just a number. Yo, listen, B-Rad, bro. 1,000,000%. 1,000,000% I agree with you. When I'm 50, I'm gonna be like so lit. I'm gonna be better than the 20-year-olds when I'm 50. Let me just say, like, I 100% believe age is a number. Yo, my mom, I'm like 95% my mom, and like she's lit, and she's like 55, 60. She's lit, like, you know? I 100% believe that, bro. 1,000,000% age is just a number. You could be like boring as shit and you're 10, you know? Okay. Daily structure is bullish. 4-hour flipped bullish, okay? So 4-hour we had down, up, down, and then bullish, okay? So here's our 4-hour low. Wabammy. Oh. Here's your 4-hour high. Wabammy. We would expect naturally somewhat of a retracement. Remember, it is important to watch what happens with Bitcoin. Did I say that enough times already? Let's check the 15. So now this is what we'd be waiting for, okay? Actually, this looks pretty good. So 4-hour is bullish, okay? 4 hours bullish, and we are technically waiting for this to come down, and then this to come up. Guys, when I said the age thing, all I meant was it's way worse to be boring when you're old than it is when... Anyways, whatever. I just work here. So look, we are waiting for the higher low on the 4-hour time frame. How do we find the higher low on the 4-hour time frame? We front run it by paying attention to the 15-minute time frame. What do we see on the 15? Now you got to follow the structure on the 15. 15-minute structure is up, down, SFP, and then potentially up. If we go up here, we're pretty much confirming that the 4-hour higher low is in, which means we are pretty much confirming that the daily time frame higher low is in, and we can make a run for like back for the high. Okay, so it's important right now. Like, I don't even hate the long from here. I'm not saying long it, but I don't hate it. But this is our SFP, right? We have a nice SFP there, and then here check marks the spot, right? So now when we came down here a few minutes ago, we could have been analyzing Market Cipher, said that money flow was coming up on the 15. Meanwhile, we just put in a bearish divergence, and we had that vector candle that could be recovered, right? And so let's take a look at the 5. Let's see. Let's cook. I'm gonna cook right now. Oh, baby, this was a long every day of the week. You could have longed this. Money flow is clearly coming up. You have a nice significant wave. Although you didn't get the divergence here with your momentum wave, actually you did ever so slightly from this wave to this wave. But also, this is a significant wave for multiple reasons. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have videos that talk about that. So, guys, I would have longed this if I was here 2 minutes ago. Now, we'll see. It doesn't mean that it's done. Doesn't mean it's curtains yet. But we got all this liquidity above us that we can come and take. Plus the fact that we had the money flow diverging as well. Plus the fact that daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish. And we're waiting to see if the 15-minute is going to flip bullishly. And the 15-minute flipping bullish is we kind of have a clue by this SFP. This looks like a pretty decent long, I gotta say. You go find me in the club. She's such a fucking hoe. I love it. Dave's a Toys R Us kid. Yo, guys, how old are you? Drop your age in the chat while you hit the like button so we can do one more giveaway before I bounce and hit the gym. We are 45 likes away from the next giveaway, guys, and this is how you're gonna enter, really. For the big giveaway tomorrow. So everyone, make sure you tune in tomorrow. Drop your age for me. Justin Trudeau. Yo, Justin Trudeau, I wish your friend Justin Timberlake was around, because I just bought Justin Timberlake tickets. I would have loved to tell you that I'm excited for you. Turan, shut up, bro. 83. Have I tried Jason Casper's 4-hour, 24-minute strategy? Yeah, I mean, when I first started learning Market Cipher, I did play around with it, but I know it's I mean, look, there's nothing against that strategy in the slightest, but I'm a better Market Cipher trader now. I know this indicator a lot more, so I don't use strategies really like that anymore. 69 is your favorite number. Infinite 63, 37, 24, 7, 50. Yo, 50, man. I actually can't wait for my Clooney years. All right, Lion Slappy says, what does a purple vector mean? Guys, there are 4 vector colors, okay? And they're actually all here, funny enough. There's green, there's blue, which are the 2 bullish ones, and then there's purple, or pink and red, which are the bearish ones. Long story short, the number of transactions that occur within that candle, on average, are normally 100%. It's your average. If you have a green or you have a red vector, it is 200% or more the number of transactions. And then pink and blue are 150% more the number of transactions. And the reason that information is useful to us is because we can identify, based on the previous 10 candles, whether or not Bitcoin or any asset is increasing in tick volume or decreasing in tick volume. And that information is useful because if we come to the high and then we get a pink vector candle like we did, and all of a sudden the transactional volume starts to decrease, it might indicate a reversal, which sure enough we had here. So Whoa, that was like the cleanest I've ever taught something without stuttering, I swear. All right, let's check here. So guys, we're just chilling, man. Look, like this is no different than, yo, we just heavily deviated a an EMA, and you know the EMAs, and now we're just coming back to retest the 50, so we're chilling. Oh, me love you. This is a good song. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. You gotta show me. All right, Salma says, Swar, I already looked at Link. Okay, what is your favorite did I look at Link? I think I did. Maybe not. What is your favorite strategy and has the best win rate? Can I please explain? I mean, so this is what I do. I find my key levels and then I analyze market cipher at those key levels. If I miss my entry, then I will follow market structure. I don't have like a strictly, I mean, look, I got a cheat sheet entry. Right, I got it. Oh, I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah, I don't have like, I mean, I have strategies, but they're more revolved around like the highest win rate strategies are the ones that are around finding the key zones, right? And then just analyzing market cipher at the time. But if you want an easy strategy, I have something called a cheat sheet entry, which if you head over to my YouTube channel. If you head over to the YouTube channel, then, and you just write cheat sheet entry, it'll give you a very easy chat strategy. Cheat sheet entry. Where is it? Why am I tripping? Where is it right now? Ah, right here. Oh, that was one. This one here. Come and watch this video. It's very easy. The easiest strategy you're going to find on the internet. All right, Justin Timberlake says, like and share the stream if you're making money. If you like making money. Dude, how old am I? I am 29. Oh, I'm sorry, Swar. All right, let's take a look at Link. I don't mean to make you wait. I'm sorry, my friend. Let's do Chain Link. All right, Link is dying. Which is good for me because I am short Link. So I am short Link. And I'm short Link from right up here. Wait, am I on Link right now? Yeah. So 19,542. 19,542. Ooh, that's actually ugly. I got in a little bit late. But I am short Link, and to answer that question earlier, why do I, what's it called? Like, what's the best strategy? This was a key zone. It was a very easy one to find. Anyways, let's take a look at Link. So, Link on the daily, I mean, Link's been ripping it, right? So you can't say that it's anything bad. Like Link's literally been ripping it. But Link on the daily time frame was up, down, up, flipped bearishly, but didn't close. SFE indicating that was going to be your high, down, and then up. Okay, so Link, I mean, on the daily is absolutely bullish. There's nothing to worry about. We know that the low is down here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, we got up, down. Actually, this does matter. What do we have? Like a quadruple low? Yeah, down, up. And then this is your current. So 4 hours bullish. Daily is bullish. And let's check the 15 now. So remember, like, because this is our 4 hour low, we should be expecting that it's going to be respected. Okay. And now to find out if we're going to get a higher low on the 4 hour, we're going to come to our 15-minute time frame and follow the structure there. Now I can tell you right off the jump, it makes sense for Link to come down and sweep this low. It very much so makes sense. Let's see if we have any order blocks right here. Oh, no, that one already got tapped. Yo, this song sucks, bro. Okay, maybe this guy here. Yeah, right here. This makes sense. Right now, this makes so much sense to me. Okay, we got a nice 5-minute order block that we can come into and take this low. For me, I'm not interested in any longs, really. Unless we come down and we take this low. Potentially looking at a long like this. So I'm going to actually set an alert here. And I'm going to say look for long. And if this happens... Watch this, guys. This is how you build a narrative. This is not an exact stop loss. I am not a financial advisor. I am 5'2" 3/4", okay? It's not exact stop loss. But this is how we can start to plan these sort of... Why can't I see this? This is how we can start to plan this sort of stuff, right? And say, all right, well, it makes sense to come and take the high again at this point. Because right now, 15-minute structure... So, obviously, 15-minute structure is bearish, right? We got... up, down, up, broke bearishly, and now we're just continuing our bearish move. So here's our 15-minute high, here's our current 15-minute low, but this is the 15-minute high in order for things to flip bullishly. The way that we can decide really if it's going to flip bullishly, and what I would really rather is to come and take... I mean, we took this low, so that is decent, right? There might be a long here. I'm not going to look that much into it because I don't scalp alts like that. But we did sweep some liquidity, so that's a good sign. If Link comes back up and starts to close 15-minute candles above this guy, then the 15-minute structure has now flipped back to bullish, which means that the 4-hour structure is likely to have held, and the daily is obviously going to hold. So that's really what I would be looking at for ETH, or for Chainlink. And again, it's going to really depend on Bitcoin. I mean, look, on Market Cypher, it looks like it wants to come lower, but keep in mind, like, it can come all the way down to here while remaining bullish on the daily, right? So it could fall another 5%, give or take. And if Bitcoin dumps, you sure as shit know that thing is going to. Crypto Girly says, Gio, you're a baby. How old are you, Crypto Girly? I know you're not supposed to ask women that, but I don't abide by any rules. All your homies hate Trudeau. Everyone hates Trudeau, bro. Trudeau, if you're watching this, like, beat it, bro. All right, Shouts Dak says, Gio, you lied. Back in the olden days, you said the best strategy is to long or short, and then the price goes the way you want it. That is the best strategy, literally. That is literally the best strategy, is is hit the long button, and then it goes up, or hit the short button, and then it goes down. All right, RGB Crypto says you need a trade. Man, like, you can't force a trade, guys. You can't force one. If there's no trade, there's no trade. Can't force it. The trade for Bitcoin was up here, and this was given in advance, you know. But I don't think the high is in. 150-year-old Hobbit. Gen X? What is that? Like, is that a boomer? Gen X. Baby boomer, mid-60s. Yo, listen, I get down with the boomers. I went to see Foreigner in concert last year, and I was screaming. I'm like, boomers! Boomers! You can beat it, Gio. Yo, how are you changing accounts so fast, bro? Yeah, Gio, I caught the best way to make $100 a day in trading is to long or short, and then the price goes in your direction. It is. Liar and scammer. Yeah. Yeah, no worries, bro. No worries. Just beat it. Let's do this. Foreigner, no copyright. Foreigner. Gen X is baby boomers. No? You're not shy, you get around, you wanna fly. Don't want your feet on the ground, you stay up. You won't come down. You wanna live, you wanna move to the sound. Yo, I turned 30 this year, and if things keep going well, then perhaps we will have a huge party for me. You know what's funny is I just turned 29. There was a day where I was like, yo, I'm not calling you a boomer, bro. I don't know. I just work here, okay? 80s baby. Okay. Well, I'm a 90s baby, so that's fine. You're not shy. So that means you like grew up on like 2000s music. All right, let's do this. Let's see if we can hit this. Is this gonna be? Am I gonna get thing for this? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get copyright on this right here. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. In beats by the sun. Do we like No Diggity? Do we like TLC? Do we like Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls?
East side to the west side. Push it back.
Yo, this is a banger. I don't even care.
You got tricks in the stash. Stack it.
Arctic, bro, did you end up closing your short? All right, let me check this message. Can I open it? I'm not gonna open it here. Like the way you working. Throw a tomato at me. No diggity. Oh, Gen X is 80s music. Guys, I just work here, man. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Clearly, I don't know what I'm talking about. I know how price gets from A to B. I don't know anything else. Okay, I'm just gonna stick to my music and call it a day. But this is still a banger, nonetheless. But yo, guys, listen, it's been a good stream. It's been an hour and 40 minutes. Your boy's gonna go hit the gym. Listen, tomorrow's stream. Y'all are rude for these tomatoes, okay? Y'all are rude. Tomorrow's stream, guys. Oh, thank you, bro. Tomorrow's stream is going to be our big giveaway, okay? And I'm telling you guys from now, follow me on Twitter because one of the entries is going to be on Twitter and I'm not going to announce it tomorrow. So, TraderGeo_YouTube _YT. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'll catch the people in Discord later today. Thank you guys for an amazing... I was about to say thank you guys for an amazing trade. Thank you guys for an amazing stream. As always, stay disciplined. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.
Set my heart on fire.